Let us begin with the Dhyana Shloka of Samarasya, Shloka Sangra. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavatam Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Kratitam Puranamuninam Madhye तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् वन्दे जगद्गुरुं मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानकेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम्। लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरहः एपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च। ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्थाः मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्थाः अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः। चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन। आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ। कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वात्मशुद्धये। उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य विभक्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः। तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणम् निरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. Now we will begin with this. This is a famous shloka which everyone know. Sukha dukkhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayo sukha dukkhe kshame same krutva labha labhau jaya jayo ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि Now all together. Sukha dukkhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayo tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papamavapsyasi. Sukha dukkhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayo tato yuddhaya yujyasva naivam papamavapsyasi. Let us contemplate this shloka. Jayati parashara sunuhu satyavati hridaya nandano vyasaha yasya asya kamalagalitam vangmayam amritam jagat pibati भुजग भोगावमुद्यम्य हृद्यं निजभुजं दक्षिणं लक्षणाढ्यं ललितमुद्रिक्त विज्ञानमुद्रं भज भज अनन्तमित्यालपन्तं प्रणतवान् प्राणिनां प्राणभूतं प्रणतिभिः प्रीणये पूर्णबोधं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं शेषं रामानुजं यतिं वायुं च मध्वमाचार्यम् आचार्यत्रयमाश्रये. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So we are into the previous shlokas gist now. What should be done? What we contemplated on previous 2 days. How the yogi lakshanas are there. Now Krishna is giving the final verdict of this. How that Tulyananda Stutir Mauni Samaloštashma Kanchanaha on the previous shlokas. How you should imply here. Sukha dukkhe samaya krutva. This is how. In both the shlokas, previous 2 shlokas, we saw both the plus and minus in us, is it not? How we jump when we get joy, or how we get depressed when we go low, all these things. But Krishna is giving us the technique, how to balance it. Both. Don't jump when you are very happy. Don't go down yourself when you are on low mood. No, not like that. Apne aap ko zameen pe mat gaad lo. Don't just fly in the air also. Both balance it. Sukha dukkhe samaya krutva. In all the walks of our life, labha or alabha, that is gain or loss, whatever it is, benefit or profit or loss, whatever it is in our life. So take it in a balanced way. Jaya and apajaya. This directly applies to Krishna, Arjuna here, where don't just fight for victory only. You do your duty. Whether victory comes or defeat comes, that is secondary. Labha labhau jaya jayo. Tato tataha yuddhaya yujyasva. In this mood or in this kind of attitude, you fight your war here. Are we not doing everyday war? Definitely. How does it apply practically to us? Every day when we open our eyes in the morning, we start our war. हमारा जिंदगी का हर दिन का महायुद्ध शुरू हो जाता है सुबह सुबह। क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट नॉट टू डू, व्हाट इज गुड, व्हाट इज बैड, व्हाट इज राइट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग। इसी के उलझन में फंस जाते हैं हम। क्या नहीं करना है, क्या करना है। आज सुबह फीमेल्स दे हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम ओनली। The moment they get up in the morning, what breakfast today to cook? Oh, that itself is a very big युद्ध in our home only. Oh, what for lunch? What for dinner? अरे यही तो है ये। But this is our battle. This Mahabharata battle, how we have to, everyday battle we have to fight means take everything in a cool, calm way so that it can be balanced. Sukha dukkha should be balanced in our life. Sukha dukkhe samay krutva labha labho jaya jayo tato yuddhaya yujyasva. In this mood you have to fight Arjuna. Do your duty. We are prescribed with duties. Here also when we come in the human form, we have a prescribed duty. You have to recognize what is my duty. And you have to perform it perfectly, effectively, efficiently, so that we get elevated in conscious. So, this is the gist of this shloka. Now the Chancellor Sir will speak.
Esteemed boys and girls, I find the prayer improving day after day. It's a positive sign. It's a welcome gesture. There are still a few deficiencies. Even late coming is reduced to a great extent. Prior to the commencement of the prayer, there is enough silence. Wonderful. Congratulations. Now, Swami Vivekananda was a leader. He wanted to shake the world. He wanted to reform the society. He wanted to rebuild this country. He wanted men and women, 1,000 people. During his lifetime, he could not get the required manpower. Now, in this institution, I find sufficient number of leaders, good manpower, eligible, strong boys and girls with enthusiasm. To be a leader, there are 3 major qualities. Number 1, think differently. Think positively and be different. Why should we imitate somebody? Why should we repeat something? Repetition and imitation are the negative signs of a good leader. When we were students, if I repeated an idea or a word, I would get minus marks. I was a student of literature. We should have good command over English, good command over vocabulary. If I repeated one word, it means I don't have sufficient vocabulary and I would get minus marks. If I get 70 marks, out of which 40 will be deducted for repetition of the same word. Repetition is boring. There should be creativity. There should be innovation. There should be betterment. Better word, more exemplary word, better positive way of expressing oneself. So the first quality of a leader is to be different from others, positively. Second quality, to be better than others. Always there is good, better, best. A beautiful girl, more beautiful girl, most beautiful girl. Not only should you be different, but you should be better. This is the second quality of a good leader. Third wonderful quality is be exemplary. Be a role model. Be not a role reversal. Rama is a role model. Ravana is a role reversal. There can be exemplary approach. There should be the best way of solving the problem. I request every student of this university to be a leader, a positive leader, a reformer, a person to contribute to the renaissance of this country, a person to rebuild this nation in the expectations, according to the expectations of our rishis. What are the three qualities? Think differently, positively. Try to do everything better, positively. And let us try to be role models. Let us try to be exemplary characters. Let every student of this university be unique, unimitated, inimitable, matchless. Let all students be wonderfully matchless. Let us rebuild this country. Thank you very much.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।